in a high floor in a high rise.
Yeah.
See, you've never lived, I'm on 33. But I was on 80 for John Hancock.
Oh, wow.
And I hated that because I never, I
Elevators?
felt like I was, no, well, that's horrible, but I felt like I was not on the earth. I was
Yeah,
too
I
high.
just see in the distance, yep.
And, you know, it's not when it's all cracked up to you. When you just face the lake, it's black at night, you see nothing.
Yeah.
And in the winter, I mean, I'm trying to tell my Florida clients this. You don't want to face straight east when you're right on the water.
Yeah.
Because it's, from Florida, you see water all the time. It's not water in the winter. It's frozen and there are no boats out there. So it's very desolate. It's a very desolate feeling. And look, you've got your shower too, Tim. The shower that you want.
One sec.
It's got everything.
I'm gonna do this. Is that the shower? The shower is nice. Say hi in the mirror. Okay.